Hi guys, it's Lynda with Homeschooling Fun with Lynda and
Grayson from Grayson's World of Fun.
And we are making cinnamon ornaments. They smell absolutely delicious. Basically what it is 2 cups applesauce and 2 cups cinnamon. And
You said that word finally.
sometimes I twist up cinnamon. And basically you want to use the Dollar Tree or the cheapest version of cinnamon, or you know, the applesauce as you can. You want to use your good stuff for this project, of course, because this will be hanging on the tree. But basically what you're going to do is mix the cinnamon and the applesauce together and until it becomes like a dough. And you're going to roll it out like you would a cookie, and then use the cookie cutters and cut out your little shapes. Grayson's making gingerbread men. I'm going to make a Christmas tree here. And you're just going to cut out all kinds of shapes and then pull it out, and then don't forget to put a little hole with a straw or something on the top, so you'll be able to hang it like an ornament from the tree, and it smells absolutely delicious. Oh, my tree just broke off.
Oops.
But you're gonna bake it at 250 degrees for about 2 hours, so low and slow until they completely dry out and form, and they still will smell delicious. And we'll show you what we've been making. We're going to hand them out to people, and they smell absolutely delicious. So again, basically 2 cups of applesauce, 2 cups of cinnamon mixed to a dough. Roll it out, cut it out into shapes, put it on your pan, bake it at 250 degrees for about 2 hours until completely dry, popping a hole through the top for a hook or a string. So I hope you enjoy making them as much as we do. Right, Grayson?
Yep, and they turn out super duper cute.
All right, they're cute. All right, good job. Happy baking. All right, guys, the ornaments are out and they smell amazing. I wish you could smell them. The whole house smells good. We've put string through most of them. I like the little rustic look to the string, but we did put a few on the hook just because it's easier, and that way you can see that they do also hook. We're gonna bundle these up as part of a gift set that we're making for our neighbors, a bunch of different ornaments and homemade little gifts. But of course some will hang on my tree because they smell so yummy. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you get to make lots of them yourselves.